Assalamualaikum students. I am your science teacher of grade 4. Hope you all will be in good health. Open your books, page number 3. Today our topic is bones. What do you mean by bones? Bones are hard part of our body. Bones in the body join together to make up the skeleton. How skeleton is made? When bones combine together, it can make a skeleton. The skeleton gives the body its shape. Skeleton gives the body its shape. What is the function of skeleton? It can give shape to our body. Some bones protect the main inner organs. Now there are some bones which can protect the inner organ. For example, the skull protect the brain. Skull. This skull can protect the brain, which is internal organ. Brain is present inside the skull. The ribs make a rib cage around the heart and the lungs. Now this ribs, it's make a rib cage around the heart and lungs, which can also protect it. Amazing fact, there are 206 bones in an adult human body. In an adult human body, there are 206 bones. Look at this picture. It's a picture of human skeleton. Muscles. Muscles in the body perform two types of function. Now bones are hard part of our body. Muscles are soft. They can perform two types of functions. Some of the muscles help your body to move. Other help to digest food, keep the blood flowing and the lungs working. First function is that it can help in movement. Second is it can help to digest food, keep the body flowing and lungs working. Muscles are made of tough elastic tissues. Muscles can contract, which means that they can become shorter. This causes movement. Look at this picture. These are muscles present inside our body. These muscles are tough and elastic. These muscles can also contract. Amazing fact, there are more than 600 muscles in our body. How many muscles in our body? More than 600 muscles. And how many bones are there in our body? 206 bones in an adult human body. Turn the page number 4. Next topic is lungs. Lungs is an internal organ. As you breathe, your chest moves in and out. When you breathe, your chest moves in and out. Inside the chest, there are two sponge-like organs on either side of the heart. Now, inside the chest, there are two sponge-like organs on either side of the heart. Look at this picture. On both sides, there are two sponge-like organs, which is known as lungs. They are called lungs. The lungs take in a gas from the air called oxygen. Which gas they take it? It's oxygen. This oxygen is absorbed into the bloodstream. When you breathe in, your lungs fill with air and become larger. When you breathe out, your lungs become smaller as air is squeezed out of them. When you breathe in, your lungs become larger. Why? Because it's filled with air. When you breathe out, your lungs become smaller because air is squeezed out of them. Remember and understand. How do we breathe? How you can breathe? We breathe through our lungs. Which thing? Lungs. We breathe through lungs. Lungs helps in breathing. It's enough for today. Thank you, student. Have a nice day.